Light up your life. Get ready to glow. Hey, gorgeous souls. Are you ready to transform your life and embrace a new, vibrant you? This 30-day challenge is your golden ticket to a radiant mindset and sparkling finances. It's time to shine brighter than ever before. We're talking about feeling amazing from the inside out, cultivating inner peace, and radiating joy. Imagine waking up every day feeling empowered, excited, and financially secure. Picture yourself starting each morning with a sense of purpose and clarity. It's all possible, and it starts right now. The journey to your best self begins with a single step. Think of this challenge as your personal glow-up guide, a roadmap to becoming the best version of yourself. Each day, we'll focus on simple yet powerful habits that will transform your mindset and your money. These small changes will lead to big results. We'll set goals, practice gratitude, master our budgets, and even dip our toes into the exciting world of investing. Together, we'll celebrate every milestone. This isn't about deprivation or complicated strategies. It's about making smart, joyful choices that enhance your life. This is about creating a life you love, one small step at a time. Every action you take brings you closer to your dreams. Get ready to unleash your inner rock star. Embrace the journey and let your light shine bright for the world to see. Dream it, plan it, achieve it. The power of goal setting. First things first, let's get clear on what you want. We're talking dreams here, but with a plan. What lights you up? Maybe it's traveling the world, starting your own business, or simply feeling calm and in control of your finances. Grab a journal and write down your goals. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be financially free," write down, "I want to save $10,000 this year," or "I want to pay off my credit card debt in 6 months." Remember, goals are dreams with deadlines. Break down your big goals into smaller, bite-sized actions. This makes them feel less overwhelming and more achievable. You've got this. Counting your blessings. Gratitude for a golden mindset. Ready for a daily dose of happiness? Enter the magical practice of gratitude. Every morning, take a few minutes to appreciate the good stuff in your life. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee, the sunshine streaming through your window, or the love of your family and friends. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple act shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already abundant in your life. It's like a happiness booster shot. Gratitude rewires your brain to see the positive, making you more optimistic, resilient, and even healthier. Plus, when you appreciate what you have, you're less likely to overspend on things you don't need. It's a win-win. Master your money, budgeting for a brighter future. Taking control of your finances can be empowering and life-changing. Ready to take control of your finances? Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going. It's time to create a budget. A well-planned budget can be your roadmap to financial freedom. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, it can be quite rewarding. Think of it as a spending plan that helps you reach your financial goals faster. Visualize your dreams and make them a reality. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Once you see where your money is going, you can identify areas to cut back and save more. It's all about making informed decisions. Next, create a realistic budget that aligns with your goals. Be honest with yourself about your needs and wants. Allocate money for essentials like rent and groceries, but also include categories for fun and savings. Balance is key. Remember to reward yourself occasionally. Budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about creating a financial plan that supports your lifestyle and goals. By budgeting wisely, you can live a life you love, filled with the things that matter most to you. Find your inner Zen meditation for maximum clarity. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and anxious. That's where meditation comes in. This ancient practice helps calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your focus. Think of it as a mental detox. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Start with just 5 minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable. There are also many guided meditation apps available that can help you get started. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts altogether. It's about observing them without judgment and letting them pass by. With regular practice, you'll notice increased clarity, patience, and a greater sense of inner peace. Make it automatic. Effortless savings for a wealthy life. Saving money doesn't have to be a struggle. The secret? Automation. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. You can start small. Even $20 or $50 per paycheck can make a difference over time. Think of it as paying yourself first. By automating your savings, you'll consistently build your nest egg without even thinking about it. You can also use roundup apps that automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Saving is a habit, and like any habit, it gets easier with time. Before you know it, you'll have a nice little or big pile of cash working for you. Investing 101. Grow your money while you grow your dreams. Welcome to a journey where your financial aspirations meet practical strategies. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. By understanding the basics, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Remember those financial goals we talked about? Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or saving for retirement, investing can help you achieve them. Investing helps you reach them faster by putting your money to work for you. Instead of just saving, your money grows through the power of compound interest. Start simple with low-cost index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are great for beginners because they offer diversification and lower risk. These investments allow you to own a small piece of many different companies, reducing your risk. Diversification is key to a balanced portfolio. Many online platforms make it easy to get started with as little as $5. You don't need a lot of money to begin your investment journey. Do your research, start small, and don't be afraid to ask for help from a financial advisor if needed. They can provide valuable insights and guidance. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are crucial for long-term success. Over time, your money will compound, growing exponentially and bringing you closer to your financial dreams. Stay committed and watch your investments flourish. Small steps, big results. The magic of consistency. The key to this 30-day challenge? Consistency is queen. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Some days will be easier than others, and that's okay. Life happens. If you miss a day or two, don't beat yourself up. Just dust yourself off and jump back in. Remember, even small, consistent actions can lead to extraordinary results over time. Just like a tiny seed grows into a mighty tree, your daily efforts will blossom into a life you love. Celebrate your success. You're a financial rock star. As you move through this 30-day challenge, remember to celebrate your progress. Acknowledge your wins, both big and small. Did you stick to your budget this week? High five. Did you invest your first $100? You go, girl. Celebrating your achievements reinforces positive habits and keeps you motivated. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, whether it's a massage, a new book, or a night out with friends. You deserve it. Keep shining bright. This is just the beginning. Congratulations! You've completed the 30-day challenge and are well on your way to a more abundant and fulfilling life. But this is just the beginning. The tools and habits you've learned are yours to keep and build upon. Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining bright. You are capable of amazing things, and the world needs your light. Now go out there and make it happen.